Well, looky here, what do we have? Another pretty thing ready for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing. Cause at the end of the night, it is her I'll be holding. I love you so, hey, that's what you'll say. You'll tell me, baby, please don't go away. But when I play, I never stay. So every girl that I meet, yeah, this is what I say. Run away, baby. The fall from my spell on you. You better get away, darling. Cause everything you heard is true. You're falling apart, we'll end up alone.
Good day, Ma'am Gemaline, and to our beautiful and handsome classmates. This is Human Becoming Theory by Rosemary Rizzo Parce. So, who is Rosemary Rizzo Parce? So let's start. Rosemary Rizzo Parce was born on July 28, 1938. She is a prominent American nursing theorist, educator, author, and researcher. She is best known for developing the Human Becoming Theory, originally called Man Living Health, a framework that redefines nursing by focusing on the lived experience and quality of life of patients rather than just treating their illnesses.
The educational background of this theory. Earlier teaching role at the University of Pittsburgh while completing PhD. Dean, School of Nursing, Tecwan University, 1977 to 1970. Faculty at Tecwan University until 1983. Professor and Coordinator of the Center for Nursing Research, Hunter College, City University of New York, 1983 to 1993. Professor and Niehoff Chair, Loyola University Chicago from 1993 to 2006. From about 2007, consultant and visiting scholar roles, including at New York University College of Nursing. Purpose of this study: to redefine nursing beyond diagnosing and treating illness. Focuses on the person's life experience, quality of life, and personal meaning of health. Moves away from viewing humans as biological systems of authority, being constantly involving in relationship with others.
To redefine nursing beyond diagnosing and treating illness. Nurses are present and supportive, not controlling or fixing. Emphasizes deep listening, respect, and partnership. Helps patients explore choices and find meaning in their experiences. Application in nursing practice focuses on the patient's personal meaning of health. Nurses are present and supportive, not controlling it or fixing. Emphasizes deep listening, respect, and partnership. Helps patients explore choices and find meaning in their experiences.
Rosemary Rizzo Parce, Human Becoming Theory, Meta-Paradigm Alignment. Person, a unitary, open, and holistic being who creates personal meaning and freely chooses their own health experience. Health, a process of becoming, defined subjectively by the person's lived experience, not just the absence of disease. Environment, an inseparable and dynamic context with which the person is in continuous mutual process, environment, and person co-create reality. Nursing, a human science and art focused on being present, engaging in dialogue, and supporting the person's journey of meaning and becoming, not fixing or controlling. Impact on modern nursing. Change nursing to focus on patients' lived experience and personal meaning. Promoted holistic, human-centered care, respecting individual dignity. Influence nursing education, research, and practice worldwide.
Major concepts, meaning. People create their own meaning and reality through their experiences and choices. Rhythmicity, life unfolds in patterns of paradoxal rhythm, like revealing, concealing, or connecting, separating. Transcendence, humans continuously move beyond the present moment toward new possibilities. Human becoming, the ongoing process of freely choosing and creating one's own health and life experience. Quality of life, defined individually by each person, based on their personal perception of health and well-being. Person-environment mutual process. Humans and their environments are inseparable and continuously influence each other.
Good morning, Miss Batalia. How are you feeling today?
Medyo okay na nurse, pero parang ang tagal kong panahon nakakainis.
I understand. Actually, we study something in nursing that might relate to what you're feeling. It is the Rosemary Parse's Human Becoming Theory.
Ano po yan?
Sabi ni Parse, health isn't just the absence of illness. It is how a person lives their experiences and finds meaning in them. So, as your nurse, hindi lang ako andito para alagaan ka. Andito rin ako para makinig at intindihin ang meaning ng recovery mo.
So, parang hindi lang gamot, pati yung emotional side ko rin.
Exactly. Human becoming means you are the one defining what being well means for you. I'm here to be with you in that journey, Miss Batalia, not to control you.
Ang ganda naman mo. Siguro para sa akin, ang pagiging okay ay yung natuto akong maging patient at hopeful.
That's a meaningful insight, Miss Batalia. Percy would say that's you, co-creating meaning. With your experience, I'll continue to support you physically and mentally.
Margaret Newman, The Theory of Health as Expanding Consciousness. Who is Margaret Newman? Margaret A. Newman was an American nurse, university professor, and a nursing theorist. She authored The Theory of Health as Expanding Consciousness, which was influenced by earlier theoretical work by Martha E. Rogers. She was born on October 10, 1933, and she passed away on December 18, 2018. Was a world-renowned nurse theorist who earned her nursing degree at the University of Tennessee Health Science Center.
Educational background, Baylor University, degree in Home Economics and English. University of Tennessee Health Science Center, Bachelor in Nursing. University of California, San Francisco, Master degree. New York University of PhD. Margaret Newman Theory of Health as Expanding Consciousness. Published in 1986, followed by second edition 1994. Asserts that all persons can attain a level of health characterized by the sensation of engaging and connecting with the environment. Focus of the theory. Focus. Individuals' pattern recognition and subsequent expansion of their consciousness. Views. Health as a process of expanding one's awareness. Importance. Lies in its transformative and humanistic approach to nursing and patient care. Core ideas. Health and disease are part of a single process of becoming more aware. Health is a pattern of the whole rather than the absence of disease. Application in nursing practice. Establishing a caring partnership with the patient. Using interventions that promote pattern recognition and insight. Impact on modern nursing. Promoting a paradigm shift from disease-focused model to one that emphasizes patient-centered, holistic.
Major concepts. Health is a pattern of the whole. Health is not the absence of disease, but is the entire life process. Consciousness. This is the central concept, representing the individual's awareness and their unique patterns of being. Human-environment interaction. Individuals are seen as inseparable from their environment, constantly interacting and evolving together. Expanding consciousness. This is the process of evolving toward a more inclusive and complex level of awareness. Mutual relationship. The nurse-patient relationship is a partnership where both individuals are growing and transforming. Pattern recognition. A key part of nursing practice is helping individuals recognize their own patterns. Undivided wholeness. The theory emphasizes that the whole person is interconnected and cannot be broken down into separate parts. And lastly, movement, space, time. These are viewed as dimensions of consciousness showing how individuals express their awareness through actions, perceptions, and experiences.
Meta-paradigm alignment. Person unitary that is cannot be divided into parts. Health. Fusion on one state of being, disease, with its opposite non-disease. Nursing. Caring the human health experience. Environment. Universe of open system.
Hi, Marion. Mukhang ang tahimik mo today, ah. Okay ka lang ba? Pwede kang magsabi. May gusto ka bang pag-usapan?
Sa totoo lang, nurse, hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko eh. Pagod na ako. Sa bawat minuto, palagi kong iniisip kung ano ba ang pwede kong gawin. Eh ngayon, paluhan na ako eh. Hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko na alam kung may silbi ba. Kung may silbi ba ang lahat ng mga ito.
Alam mo, may share ako sa'yo. My theory si Margaret Newman. It's about health and expanding consciousness. Sabi niya, kahit sa gitna ng sakit, may pagkakataon pa rin tayong mas maunawaan ang ating sarili.
Talaga? Kahit ganito yung nararamdaman ko, kahit mabigat yung dibdib ko, part pa rin ba ito ng growth ko?
Exactly. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa katawan na may karamdaman, kundi tungkol din sa paglawak ng pag-unawa mo sa sarili at sa buhay mo. All experience, even pain, makes us become more aware.
So, itong mga nararamdaman ko ngayon, itong mga nararanasan ko ngayon, kailangan ko ba silang pahalagahan at i-cherish kasi ito yung daan para sa mas mabuting pag-healing, paggaling ko?
That's expanding consciousness, Marion. That's health, experience, and meaning.
So, kasama na rin yung mga taong nasa paligid ko. Kailangan ko rin silang pahalagahan. Sige, starting from now, itry kong lumaban kahit mahirap na. Kahit tipong pasok ko na ako eh. Laban pa rin ako. Ganon? Sige.
Thank you.